Well, hello everybody, and I guess you would like to know, how do I make soul food cabbage? After I wash my cabbage and cut it up, that's my least favorite part, cutting or slicing. I seasoned it with salt, then I have some McCormick's black pepper, a dash of seasoned salt, a little bit of red pepper, just a couple of teaspoons of classic olive oil, and maybe about 2 tablespoons of Land O'Lakes butter. And I may use more butter, but I'm gonna let it cook for a while. And I'm trying to decide what type of meat I'm going to eat. I may do fried pork chops or mustard fried chicken. I'm not quite sure yet. And my last ingredient that I put in cabbage, and I think I put it in collard greens too. You will never believe it. Some chicken broth. I went to the dollar store. I was low on funds, so I bought the Clover Valley chicken broth. Put all of this in the pot, stir it up, and now you will have some soul food cabbage. This is really going to be good once it's cooking. And ignore the shape. I'm not really good at cutting. I probably will also bake a cake, fry some pork chops, and maybe mustard fried chicken. I don't know. It depends on how I feel. I hope you're being safe during COVID-19. Put on your mask. If you need a mask, inbox me, and I can get you a sewn mask. And let's follow directions and be obedient and do our social distancing. As you can see, my kitchen is nice and clean. Nobody wants to eat at your house or eat your food if your kitchen's not nice and clean. All right, everyone. Have a great night.